Got the deliberate mistake someone has made. Spring clippers on back to front, which a little bit safe. Now you can see that. Zoom in and up a bit. Hopefully that will show up. I've got a bit of sun coming in there somewhere. That's better. Yeah. Back to front. Oh, should be that way. Closed end should be this end. That's not very good. Right, chain out of the way. Get this bolt out here now. Oh yeah, there we go. Right, just this upper bolt that's in shot. That one there to undo. Loosen that one off a bit more. Should then be able to get this gearbox out. It's got it. Yeah, that would have been a lot easier if I could have got this this bolt here, this footrest bolt. Unfortunately, couldn't get that out because the other bolt is really tight. Perhaps I can get some lock washers now, or lock nuts on this end, and get that undone, get it right out. That gearbox is out. Quite a bit of progress. Got the wheels out, mud guards off. What else? Oh, the toolbox, oil tank, all removed. Some of the wiring removed. Got this main loom here to take off. Yeah, and basically the front end. And yeah, still undecided whether to get the frame powder coated or just touch up the bits that are worn through, like where the that's where that jiffy stand was attached, which was loose and has worn all the paint off there. So I think I might just clean it down, see how it looks when it's clean, and then make a decision as to what to do. Yeah, wheels are here. Surprised how much weight is in them, really. Most the other bits down here. Rear mudguard, which is actually in quite good condition, and front mudguard there, which again is actually in quite good condition. They obviously made steel better then than they did in the 70s, because you get a 70s bike and the mudguards will be almost rotted through. Almost completely stripped down. It's got the swinging arm. That's the oil tank fixing there. Don't know what that's doing there. Got the odd bolt just in here and there. Got the headstock still on there. Not sure whether I need to take that off or not. Might just have a quick look at the bearings or something. They feel alright. Yeah, so just needs a real good degrease now. There's the stand. I think this is actually a little bit bent here. Doesn't look quite straight. It wasn't sitting straight. Yeah, I think this side is definitely up. Yeah, so that'll be something to look at. But yeah, and the actual frame is in quite good condition. Still undecided about having the powder coat or not. That's really worthwhile. I'll see what it's like once it's degreased, I think. Then decide. Right, I want to try, if I can, to remove the swing arm, which they can be very difficult to remove if they get seized in. I tried to just push it out or tap it out with a nylon mallet, but yeah, it's not moving. So I've now got a threaded rod through there, big plate on this end with a couple of spacers just to hold that off, just to see if I can move it a little bit. I've still got the nut on this end, but there's not a lot of space there, so I might have to take the nut off and try without. But I don't, want to risk damaging the threads on there. So, well, let's just give it a go and see what happens. On the tripod. Show how much this is going to move, if at all. Anything shifting. Nothing seems to be happening as this metal plate is bending, which is about 5mm thick, so let's see what sort of pressure is on it. small gap there. It'd be worth giving this end a tap. Never know, jar might. Seem to have moved at all. Let's have a rethink.